We suspected that first quarter restaurant performance wasn't great in the United States, and the data we saw last week confirmed as much. Hey there, Phil Plourd, head of insights for Ever.Ag. Please be sure to read the disclaimer at the end of this video. Last week, the results rolled in one by one. They were disappointing for the most part. McDonald's U.S. same-store sales down 3.6%. Pizza Hut minus 5.0%. Domino's down 0.5%. Starbucks minus 2%. Taco Bell was a bright spot at plus 9%, proving that value still works. But for the most part, these results were disappointing. Domino's CEO Russell Weiner put it well, I think, on the Domino's earnings call. He said, in general, consumer disposable income is down, and their confidence levels are also down to kind of 2022 levels. And so just in general, right now, there's a headwind on the total business. And not to be too negative, but the results were even worse than what those same-store sales numbers suggest, because all the while prices were higher. If you look at food away from home inflation in Q1, it averaged 3.7%. So you had higher prices and lower dollar intake. That means less traffic. That means less volume. What does that mean for the markets we cover? Well, it's particularly concerning for the dairy space. We just don't eat as much cheese at home as we do away from home, and that's especially true in the pizza universe. We eat about 3 billion pizzas in the United States each year. Just start doing the math. A 1% decline in pizza restaurant consumption probably equals about 25 to 30 truckloads per week of mozzarella and lost demand. So yeah, it's a big deal, and it's a reason that we see continued weakness or continued inability for the U.S. cheese market to really get rocket. Domestic demand is not good, and food service is a big part of that. Are things much better here today in the second quarter? I don't think so. The traffic data that we take a peek at occasionally doesn't look great. The mood probably isn't a whole lot better. So you always have the phenomenon where we're kind of lazy and we like to go out to eat, and cooking at home is a pain and hard. But I just see consumers still hanging back a little bit on the restaurant space, and that creates a so-so at best demand environment for U.S. dairy. If you're interested in reading Phil Plourd's Monday Morning Demand Notes, please email us at insights@ever.ag.